Welcome to the show. Let's talk to Connor Campbell, a financial analyst at Spreadex. Morning to you, Connor.
Good morning.
Let's talk cable, Great British Pound against the US dollar. Key events, both Bank of England and Fed eyeing rate hikes. US final Q2 GDP on Thursday, UK final Q2 GDP on Friday. What are we thinking?
Yeah, it's sort of got stuck a bit, really, hasn't it? You know, it had that super surge at the start of September, the first fortnight of September. Last week, it sort of trapped it between this 135, 136 mark. That's all been reflected in our clients' behaviour, really. It's become far more mixed than it was in the first half of the month. But we are still seeing support around that 135 mark. I think our investors, our clients are happy with it at that level.
Right.
Whether it can get the momentum to hit those 136 levels, it's going to, I think, depend on perhaps the data in the second half of the week. You know, it's a pretty barren first half of the week, and then this sort of big splurge of data, especially on Friday for the UK. You've also got the current account figures as well as that Q2 GDP figure. I think in terms of those two GDP figures, the US is probably going to come off better. I think that's expected to be revised from 3% to 3.1% at the annualised rate, whereas the quarterly rate, the UK one's expected to remain at 0.3%. So the dollar could get a sort of a short-term boost from that. But as you said, you know, both Bank of England and Fed are eyeing rate hikes. That sort of leaves it. These both currencies in a bit of limbo heading into the final quarter of the year. Really, like where does it go now? Like what? No, for so long the dollar had the upper hand over the pound, and I think now, the pound's sort of biting back a bit. But whether it can, build on that 136 mark, I'm not sure. Like I said, this week our clients are just content to see it remain at the 135 mark. If it can see at the end of the week at that level, I think they'll be happy.
Connor, thank you very much indeed.